Airbag light's on, the AC is not working. The light doesn't work on the AC thing there. I'm already suspecting a tip-em. One thing that's shared in there, if you look here, this is the tip-em, right? Occupant restraint and the AC controller. That's the only common thread I can find, so I want to check that first.
If you want to hear this early or not, it's up to you.
Who, me? Nah.
Water or anything?
I'll take a water. So I'm going to do a scan, maybe. HVAC should come up with something. Nothing. Ooh, there's no communication. Okay. Okay. It's hot. It's not even, it's like, yeah, it's 10 o'clock in the morning and I'm literally dripping sweat. The body control module, what do we got here? Low voltage. Active. Lost communication with HVAC. Supplemental restraint. Circuit open. Lost communication. Okay. Lost communication. So I got this in a couple spots here. I think I did see something about this U164 indicating that the module setting the code is not receiving a bus from the HVAC. The module that sets the code is not the problem. Module is on CAN B. Interior bus is linked to CAN C. It is linked to CAN C through the CAN gateway module. If other loss of communication codes exists, you will need to look at the bus topography as a whole unit to try to locate the problem with the HVAC. Wow. Got some green crusties there, but this is your...
Yeah, I checked the fuses last week.
Yeah, this is your tip-em. All right. This might be bad. That's what I want to test for. There's the compressor right there. So the compressor's not running. That's easy to get to.
What's that type of thing for?
I don't know. This is an older one, so it doesn't.
Not really good.
It just came on.
Maybe it's loose. Let me try the air.
No, don't touch. Air's on.
Really?
Yep. Huh?
It is.
Yep. The compressor's running. Man, this motherfucker don't want to come out. Yeah. It could be. I kind of didn't want to disturb nothing. I didn't want it to come on just yet. I was trying to get some access to it, but I don't like. You don't want to really disturb anything because you don't know what you fixed. If it's working now you can't fix it. Kind of hoping that didn't happen. No spots that look like it was rubbing anywhere.
Like that, it was working.
Yeah, well, I don't know if that's what fixed it. Could be the circuit. I'm thinking it's this, the circuit board flexing.
You know what else has been coming on?
What?
I get a But the transmission sensor pops on all the time every once in a while, then goes off after like a mile.
Yeah. All right, well that sucks. I wish I didn't do that. All right, let me rescan this. Because now that light is on, let's go back. Start the scan again. Yeah. Hey Paul. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the disc. I'm gonna disconnect all those connectors. I'm gonna clean them real good, put it back together, and then we'll just see what happens because it's working. So.
It's cold, yeah. I mean,
and your airbag light's off too. So.
I'm telling you, I wonder if that's why the other light.
No, it is. It's that tip 'em. I'm pretty sure. I'll show you on the wiring diagram real quick.
Louis told Sam's friend, just let me put the tip in. He said that to Alyssa. He said, just let me put the tip in. It's more of it.
If you look here, this is a wiring diagram. This blue, that's the tip 'em, right? And this is all internal. You can't do nothing. But
so
these are the fuses, right? See how?
Yes.
Both, this one here is your airbag system, and this one here is the AC system. Both have their own fuses, but they're fed by this one thing here. That's why I was asking about the ignition switch.
Okay.
Because of that.
No.
But this is solid state, right? All in the inner blue there. So that's basically the computer. It's a computer. The fuse box. It's not like a fuse box.
Right, it's
the old
like
one.
normal.
Yeah.
There, see it popped on.
Came back on?
Yep.
Good. Don't touch nothing.
I'm not touching shit.
All right. All right. Twist. That's pretty weird. I don't know what this is. Every single wire has a mark on it. Like somebody's been here before. I don't know if I can even see that. All the white ones here, all of them, every single one of them. I don't know if that's normal, but it looks like somebody's been here. Well, hopefully it stays broken. Nah, somebody's been in here. All these are marked.
When the guy bought the truck off of diag,
they
said he's real anal with his truck. I'm only the second person that owns it. My buddy Richard does inspects it for me. It was his client that would come in.
This thing's overheating, which sucks. I don't know if I have to film at a lower quality or what. But it's overheating. So these two fuses here don't have any power, right? Well, this does not have a good ground for my light. There you go, my light's lit. No power. That has power. Alright, so fuse 20, this one does not have power. talking to myself. 32 does not have power. See if I can jumper it with a better test light. 1 amp might be enough. Let's see if I need this. Ooh, shit. Yeah, I'll take that.
I can't get it started.
Huh? I'll take that too. I'll take everything. See? I hope I got that on film there. I'll take it off. The back fed into that fuse, turned off. But right now, I think the light should be on. Yep, that's on. That's not on. Am I recording? Yes, sweet. Hopefully I caught it. So here I'm basically jumpering it, but I'm just using the fuse. So this looks like it needs a tip on. That fuse is good. Hopefully that's good enough. I don't know which side I'm supposed to go on, but I might have to break out the test leads. There he goes, turns on. That's out, that's back on. That's it, needs to tip them. Now this looks very choppy. I don't know if it's because it's running hot, but we will see. And now I'm gonna just take this off. I'm just gonna take this off now. That light should have went out. It did. Obviously, because it's disconnected. But I'm waiting for the airbag light to turn on because I was basically feeding both circuits. There it is. I was feeding both circuits through this one port here because they're both tied together internally to the tip 'em. So that's a diagnosis. Needs to tip 'em. Easy peasy. This is going to work. I talk to myself if I'm recording or not.
I go in the house saying, who are you cursing at?
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm talking to myself, I'm cursing to you guys and nobody helps around here.
Alright, so let's see if this works. This should work. I have no idea what I tapped into, but it's temporary. There we go. It's dirty and it's ugly, but it works. All right, well, it's a little bypass for now. And when he gets the money, we'll put the new one back, or the new one in. And Yeah, that's it. I don't know if he's even going to find one, but we'll take a look.